So now let's see how we can work around with value graph for keyframes inside of HitFilm. So over here, you can see that I have a composition shot right here, and I'm going to add in a keyframe in this position right here. And I'm going to go around and just drag this around to make an animation. So you can see that this is what you have right here. So if I were to go around onto the value graph right here, then what you can see right here is you can see the keyframes right here. So you can see that there's this position right here, one for the x-axis and one for the y-axis over here, as you can see, and they are straight at the moment, as you can see right here. You can go around and select these, and then what you can do is you can turn it into whole keyframes, and once you do that, you can see that there is no straight line whatsoever right here. It's the straight right here, which is the whole keyframes, or you can go around and add in an in right here, so you can see that it abruptly stops, but there's low acceleration in right here. What you can do is you can pull these handles right here, just like this, and then this is the result that you get. So it slowly goes in, as you can see, just like this. After that, you can also go around and have a slow out, as you can see right here. So this is what you have, as you can see, just like this. After that, you can go around and select this out, and you can also go around and select out selected keyframes to smooth right here, and you can go around and click and drag this, and you can go around and click and drag this, and you have acceleration in and out, as you can see, with much more detail right here. So you can pull this out and you can pull this out, and you can see that you can control out how the animation actually looks. Same goes for the rotation as well. So right now I'm adding a keyframe to the animation, but let's just go around onto, let's say, rotation right here. Once you do that, you can see that a keyframe is added onto rotation. And I'm just going to go around and add in 1 times rotation right here, and you can see that this is the animation that you have right here. So similarly for this as well, I'm going to go around and add in an ease in and ease out, and this is what you have. But I'm going to go around and make this handles right here. I'm just going to pull this out right here, and once you do that, you can see that that is the animation that you have right here. It is much more smoother, as you can see right here. Same goes for the scale as well. So let's just go around onto scale, and then decrease this scale out and increase the scale out right here, just like this. So you can just go around and control it. Then I can go around and select it, and then I can go around and utilize this convert the selected scale, pull this out right here, pull this out to the left right here, pull this onto the left, and pull this onto the right. Once you do that, you can go around, and that is what you have, as you can see right here. You can go around and add in an ease in and ease out on all of these properties to make the overall animation look smoother. So that is how you can work around with value graph for keyframes inside of HitFilm. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.